Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Claude Joseph. And in case you're new here, kindly subscribe, like, share, and leave us a comment. On today's video is another beautiful video over here in Kenya, Africa. To be specific, in the village of Kenya, Nyabohanse village. So this day today, it's a kinda emotional video, guys. I miss you, and also I know you miss me. You'll be like, sometimes you have been asking yourself, why is Claude Joseph this low today? Like he hasn't uploaded the videos for 3 good days. Guys, I've been undergoing through a lot. But I thank God things are going a little smooth, but not as I expected. Things are not really going on my way as I expected. But let's put aside. Please, have you subscribed? I'll be giving you what you call like a full story of this. Have you subscribed? If you haven't yet, kindly subscribe, like, share, and leave a sweet comment. And of course, leave a sweet comment down below. And of course, let me know in the comment section where you're watching us from. So recently, you have been seeing the updates of everything that I've been doing up and down, also in my village over here, and also updates about life. Sometimes we can't complain when nature decides to do its thing. So yeah, on this end, I would love to welcome each and every person on this channel, on this platform, as I welcome you also to just share this video, just one of my videos. Remember, guys, we are on the road to 30,000 subscribers, and we can't reach to 30,000 subscribers if you haven't shared, and also if you haven't told a friend to just subscribe to our YouTube channel. So this is my home, or this is our home, and literally there is where Claude Joseph always dwell in over here. The home looks quiet, and also the home looks very clean and green. That's one thing I love about my home over here. So yeah, recently, guys, you have been seeing me struggling up and down, and also past 2 or 3 months down the line, my grandma was diabetic, or she was very sick of diabetic, to an extent that she was almost losing her life. So I've been fighting with it, and through the help of you guys, by actually sending me something up and down, also through your prayers, grandma recovered up, and I was able to pay the what you call like the hospital bill through your support. That was almost it was like almost $700. That was going to be like 80,000 Kenyan shillings plus. In that was like a hospital bill plus what we have been doing, buying what you call like buying tablets for her, the insulin, injecting. And also a big shout out to True Boy, because he has been with us since that day, you know, up to now when grandma recovered well. And I was also giving you some updates about how she was, because the moment I was in the video, I could do a video, I had to bring her on the video so that you can see how okay she is. And also I felt revealed, you know, I felt like there's something that was pressing me hard, and all of a sudden it just disappeared. So I even traveled. I went to Burundi. From Burundi I went to Rwanda. From Rwanda I went to Ghana, just feeling, you know, that I was much okay a little bit. But since then, the last 4, like this week, she started again feeling sick, in which I couldn't maybe also record, because I was giving you what we call like updates about how she was, but she was complaining about her health. So I had to call the doctor, and I took her there yesterday when now she was like kinda not okay. I took her there, and it was like a toothache. She had a toothache because she had a very big swollen area. So I had the cheek, this side of the cheek, it was very swollen. So I had to take her there back. So she was pulled out the teeth, and also because of her blood pressure, it was kind of normal. The sugar level was high, so she was kind of feeling weak. Even now she can't walk comfortably until I and True Boy or anybody else who can help me to carry her from her bed to the what you call like to the place for the sun, from the sun to the other side, because now she's not also, the legs are weak. I don't know what is that again. But from here, I just gave you. I was waiting for True Boy to come, because he is the one to give her tablets, and we want to see what's happening. Then from here we want to just be okay. I believe she'll be okay in the course of this week. And also I was planning to go and just check on my wife also on the other side, but for this is an emergency. Let me just finish with grandma first, then I can head on the other end. It's a young boy with or it's a young man with a lot of responsibility to run up and down. That's why sometimes you feel, oh, why is CJ not doing this? Why is CJ not giving us daily updates about maybe videos about what sometimes it's a lot, man. But guys, keep on praying for me. I know alone I can't make it alone, like, you know, for this there's that things that you can do it alone, but there's some things before, if you haven't shared it with maybe anyone, because we always say a problem shared is a problem half solved. There are things that I can't do alone, honestly speaking, guys. So I have to also talk to you guys, update you about how it is. Recently you saw how we were struggling with the grandma. Now again it's rising up a little by little, but I'm trying to cast it down so that it can be, we can just normalize it, and also her to be back on her normal, what you call, like, to be on her normal what you call, like, health. And also because she's been around here, I'm planning to give out these goats. So that they cannot give a lot of pressure, because even the moment she feels like a goat crying meh meh, you know, her pressure goes up, like, oh no, can you go check on those animals, I don't know what. So she starts panicking. So also I'm planning to give out those goats. I'm planning, so soon you'll be seeing this home, no goats, no animal apart from the dogs, because with animals, the moment she hear a goat crying, she'll asking everybody, what's wrong with that goat, what? So she starts like, it's irritating her, like she doesn't want to hear an animal crying, also goats, because she thinks it has been it's committing suicide, or somebody has stolen one of the goat, that's why they are crying, or they're not in a good condition. So she starts, you know, panicking. So everybody, she becomes angry with anybody around, so she feels like she can work on her own and go check on them. So I'm planning to give out these goats, so that anything that gives grandma peace, I'm here to give it, even my life, to give it to her. So I'm going to give out these goats. So soon you'll be seeing me dispersing them, maybe to somebody or to anyone who will be willing, and also sell them, because I can raise even money from selling them a little by little, so that I can just do what you call, like, have a piece for grandma, and also keep on buying her materials. You saw somebody who is suffering from I just saw who's suffering from what you call, like, diabetic. You have to be very very keen on checking on her, what you call, like, on his or her diet. So yeah, I just saw some dandelions here, and I was like, let me blow them a little bit. Who knows that song of dandelions? Na, 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 na. Sometimes I wish you could be mine, and we could be just blowing this. Na, 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 dandelions. I don't know, something like that. So when I was young, I used to blow these dandelions. You know, these ones, they're called dandelions. If you know this on the dandelion when you were young, help me blow and make a wish. Ooh, the dandelions have gone. Dandelions. Maybe for the end of the year, may I hit maybe 30,000 subscribers, and also bless me, may grandma be healed. You make a wish. Does a wish make, when you make a wish, does it make you, maybe you speak it in thoughts, or you just keep quiet as you make a wish? Okay, let's make a wish together, guys. Let's blow the dandelions and make a wish together. Make a wish. The dandelions, oh, they are going. Hey, I'll just finish them. Let me take it before we give out. I've told Trubo has come. Let me just put two. I'm even feeling hot because of grandma's health. Before that, let me just take her this flower. We also have a flower over here. a very nice flower. Let me take it to her before she takes what we call like and also we have this light. It's a sensor light. Before we give her tablets, let me tell her to blow the dandelions, and also I give it this to her. Baby, do you know how to blow the dandelions? Do you know how to blow the dandelions? Blow the dandelions. Do this. Please eat dandelions. Hey, blow the dandelions. Blow them. Yee. It's going again. Again. You do this way. Oh, the dandelions have gone. Vinaenda. Say zinaenda. And then we say surprise. No, this is yours now. No, don't please. Have this. Shikilia sasa bibi. Hii ni yako, shikilia. Shikilia hii maua.
Ni yangu. Iko wapi?
Mazuri. Sema maua mazuri yapendeza. Maua mazuri. Okay guys, let's wait for True Boy and we Alright guys, let's wait for True Boy and we wanna just take off, give her some tablets. Alright guys, see you. And this is grandma guys. Alright, actually her tooth is swollen over here, very swollen. Oh, okay, let's wait for True Boy to give her the tablets. Okay, yeah, so guys, we're giving her meds. Like yesterday when she had what we call like a very severe toothache, the cheek was swollen over here, so I had to rush her to the hospital yesterday. So I was given some tablets. I was given some tablets. So I was given some tablets by the doctor, by the dentist I mean. But also we are here with True Boy for her checkup, and we see what's happening. And from me I'll be rushing maybe to the magistrate over there, because there's something that I've been told to go and check up on it. Then I'm with True Boy here.
Yes.
Yeah. So
I'm giving tablets or grandma.
She can't even talk much guys, because her mouth is swollen and because of the toothache. Oh man, since yesterday. Recently, that they said the time that you haven't been seeing me maybe uploading videos, I've been with her over here. Sometimes things are not okay with her, so it's CJ with True Boy over here running up and down, you know. Meza hii. What was those at the
Yes.
Inside there.
Inside.
You're again. Which is which. What about? We have this one.
Panadol.
What are those?
I'll show them. Oh, Panadol.
Panadol, yeah. And also, which one? This has yellow. You know, I don't know the names of the tablets mostly.
Sometimes you know them.
This got is caffeine. This one over here. The color. Vimetosha baby. Kunywa maji.
Not the last one.
This one also.
Yellow one.
This small one. I think. Yeah, they are using what we call like malaria. So we'll be seeing her. She'll be sitting over here a little bit. Then I'll be rushing to Kihanja. Yeah, introduce yourself, man.
Okay, good morning, guys. We are live from Africa, Kenya, at CJ's home. I'm True Boy 208. Because baby was sick since some days back, so only like we never put this on camera. But now I woke up and came here at least to see whether our baby has taken the tablets, you know, or the medicine generally. So, but she's doing okay, as you can see. Not like the way she was
the other day and
last
yesterday.
time, all yesterday too.
Yeah.
she's still improving. You know, like yesterday, she was really sick,
She
and
was not
also on
even
the
walking.
jaws, she has a problem on the jaws. That's why you can see there is a lot of like
Swollen.
you know, yeah. But she's going to be okay.
She's going to be okay. Baby,
Yeah.
say hi.
Hi.
Okay, guys, you see her tooth over here.
Hi.
It's kinda, hey, go, hi. Do you love them? Can you sing that song of yours? Okay, guys, so we'll be seeing what's happening. We'll be updating you slowly by slowly. Yesterday I took her to the dentist and also to the doctor. That was near here at Sirari, and we saw what was happening with her. They checked her up. They said it's one tooth that got broken on this other end, and then they pulled it out and they gave her some medicine. But slowly by slowly, I think should be improving, and we'll be checking on her, and also we're giving you what we call like updates. Keep praying for our baby, and we'll be seeing how it will be happening over here, slowly by slowly, as we go on with her. Okay, we'll be seeing how it will be happening. Manu, acha Manu anakuchemshia maji. Manu anakuchemshia maji ya nini?
Tangu jana unaambiwa.
Maji walisema kutengenezea leo, because we advised her to be given hot water, like hot, just not hot but warm, with a little salt on it, so that we can see and we can check what is happening with it. Is it warm? Yes. Does it have salt?
Yes.
This is too hot, bro.
That's much.
That's too much hot. Mwaga hiyo chini hivi nikupunguzie. Mwaga hiyo ingine hapa ndani. Tena just a warm water. Mwaga tena hapa. Okay. Mwaga tu. It's kinda hot. Haya, acha. Haya. Leo kwa mdomo, alafu fanya hivi, ona. Hakikisha umepitisha pale kwa mdomo. Hakikisha umepitisha kwa hapo hivi.
Kwa jino.
Why are you running? She can spit on you. Yes. Baby. Haya, fanya tena hivi. Tena kidogo.
Very good.
Atema hapa. Yeah.
She's eager to be
to be okay,
healed.
To be healed, yeah.
Yes, that's why you see like she's doing like this.
So that she can touch the nini.
She's just feeling what is inside there. You know,
I pulled a teeth in South Africa. I was feeling like, way. I was calling Mama, I was calling, and no, remember nobody was around. I mean, how he has already traveled.
Right.
My friend, I can feel her pain.
You saw fire.
I saw fire. Baby. So from here we'll be preparing her food, then we'll be seeing what's happening. So unasikia aje bibi? Sahi.
Mama bado iko uchungu. Nauma. Bado iko uchungu.
Oh, okay. Kwa nini?
Uko ndani.
Ndani.
Huko hapa katikati hapa.
Ni sababu ile sindano. You know, there's a anesthetic injection. You know, the anesthetic injection make you feel like your mouth is going to fall down. It's so heavy. So with her still there, and it was like a long cc, you know, very big cc's. So because she's old, or because of her age, they had to make it match. So then still the anesthesia is there, you know, so that she feels a little numb. So the numbness hasn't yet ended. That's why you see she's feeling as if the mouth doesn't belong to her.
Yeah, the mouth is heavy.
The mouth is so heavy for her right now. But we thank God she woke up a little bit like okay, a little bit. Because yesterday this one was you are feeling like you can cut it. You feel like it was a boil. Yeah. But now it's a little bit okay. And keep us praying for us, guys. Also subscribe to TrueBoy 208. And also to my young brother here. Let me check what he's doing over here. Manu. Hey, good morning. How are you? What are you doing?
I'm fine. I'm trying to light up the fire.
To light up the fire.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now I'm cutting the firewood.
You're cutting the firewood. Cut we see. Okay. Okay. Yeah, and your machete is very sharp.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, guys. Let us light up the fire and then wanna check. We see what's happening. Yeah, introduce yourself, man.
Yes. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Claude YouTube channel. Yes, when you're there, subscribe, like, share, leave us a comment. My name is Manu Cloud, and if you're new on this Claude YouTube channel, subscribe there, like, and leave us a comment. I'm road to 2K subscribers, 4,000 watch hours, guys.
Absolutely, guys. I usually see people say, what's Manu Cloud? Manu Cloud is MANU and then CLAUDE. That's called Manu Cloud. Please check him out and subscribe and like, share, and leave us with comments. So let's be doing this, and also from here I'll be heading back to the magistrate because recently you saw what was happening, and I don't know, guys. The moment there's a land issue, a little land issue, grandma always sometimes feels sick. You know, like there's that two things happen, and sometimes I'm being shocked on this. So like today I was calling the magistrate. I wanna go there and check. There was an issue of this piece of land between our land and our neighbor land. That was the ancestral land, because we were rushing for what we call how is this one? We were rushing for what we have to gain. The other, for the new subscribers, we were running about to protect our property. So there was what we call ancestral land that my dad was snatched off from by his step brothers. So they, and thank God I was there and I realized it earlier, because they were squeezing the boundaries and they went there and took it on his behalf. So I realized that area and I was just doing what we call uh, going for it. So yeah, and the case was ongoing. So today I was told to go for the final results. That will be maybe the partitioning and everything. But so I'll be rushing there, then from there I'll be coming back to check how granny she's doing and how she's faring. Keep on praying for us, and always feel free to advise us where necessary, because recently she was sick of what you call she was diabetic, and we just solved to fight it hard so that we can see how it is. Hey, there's some big guavas here, but I don't think if it's already arrived. True boy. I don't think if this is I was looking for the guavas, this small guava. Do you see how a lot it has a lot of guavas? A lot. But you know this is a grafted one. Yeah, it's a grafted one. So it's kind of small. Also we have a mango here. The mango and this one. It's a grafted mango with a lot of this. So bro, we have a lot of mama bitungurumu viko hapa. Have a lot of how do you call them? How do you call them? Mushrooms. Guys, do you know this? This is a mushroom. A mushroom, another mushroom over here. Let them be big. Yeah. Thank you, brother, for always checking out on us, and also for this. I'll be rushing to the magistrate, then I'll be coming back to see what's happening. Yeah, and also we see what's happening on this end. Yeah.
I also want to go back home to check on what is taking because I've been doing cleanness around my house. Yeah, so let me go. Then I think when you are back, we will be together. But for now, when you are leaving, just go. Then while I also work
Slowly by slowly.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's how it is, guys. So let's rush and see. Okay. So guys, we just arrived. So wanna check and see. Yeah, so we just arrived here. Let's check and see what's happening, and then we won't be ending this video. All right. Yeah, so guys, I just arrived back home, and let me just put what we call like the peppers in. Whew, I've been so tired, man, the whole day. When the lights are not on, the lights in. Oh man, power is not on. Electricity has gone, and it's so dark inside here. So let me keep on the peppers. Then I want to update you about what is happening. Oh man, it's so crazy. Yeah. Since morning, this is the time that I'm coming back, and yeah, it has been successful, but still I've been given again some letter that in 1 month then we can go and pick what we have been going to pick. Somebody's calling me. Yeah, and the power is coming up and down, so the later then maybe in 1 month we'll go back for what we have been struggling for. And of course, let me check on how baby she's faring on. Hey, my stomach. And then yeah, keep on praying for CJ, and keep on praying for my family at large. Let me see what baby is, how she's feeling, because I don't know. Then we wanna check baby. Hey, mambo, uko aje? Uko aje? Huu mkono weka hapa hivi. Huu mkono. Mbona umekoma? Guys, I don't know what's wrong with her. Actually, this hand is very hard, and look, it's going back. Weka mkono vizuri hivi bibi.
Naweka vizuri baba.
Weka vizuri.
Nawekaje?
Weka wima hivi.
Wema hivi.
Na ulale kwa pilo. Weka kichwa hapo. Hapo.
Hili liko hapo.
Kichwa, uweke hapo kichwa. Songa ulale hapa hivi. Vizuri kwa pilo juu. Sasa uko aje?
Na majiti na vimba hapo.
Utapona tu, ni dawa. Sawa?
Sasa dawa gani itapakwa?
Utapona tu. Okay. She's okay. She's just saying, she's complaining about this side, that my teeth this side, it's still swollen. I know it's because of the anesthetic what you call like medicine. So yeah. Oh, okay. So in the morning she was here, but now it's the evening time. She is just asleep a little bit for her to relax, and I'm happy to be back home. Oh man, I just dropped some things. Wait. And yeah, this is how everything has been. I don't know, man. Every single time when it reaches a month where I'm feeling like now this is okay, I can now feel free. Strike thunder. But I'm praying to Almighty God that things will move on well. And yeah, keep on praying for CJ, guys, and things will be moving on well, and very, very great. So I don't want to just give you much stories about this, but keep on praying, and also subscribe to this YouTube channel, like, share, and leave a sweet comment, and I really appreciate your love and support for this. And of course, things will be always running on well. Let's keep on focusing. I was just giving you an update about, hey, look at these flowers again. Hey, we used to have this kind of flowers. They used to smell nicely. We used to have this kind of tree down there. No, it's not this one. I thought it's this kind of a tree, but it's not the same one. This kind of flower and this one. Yeah. So be blessed all. Subscribe if you haven't. Like, share, and leave us a comment. And we really appreciate your love and support. Bye from here. Much love from the village, and say goodbye, guys. Pray for baby.